Hello and welcome to English Stories. Today we are going to the supermarket. The supermarket is a great place to buy food and other things we need. In this video, we will learn about different types of products in the supermarket. We will also learn useful phrases to use when we go shopping. This is a short story in English for beginners. Are you ready? Let's go. Before I go to the supermarket, I make a shopping list. A shopping list helps me remember what I need to buy. Here are some things I might put on my list. 1. Fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. 2. Vegetables, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, and lettuce. 3. Dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt. 4. Meat, chicken, beef, and fish. 5. Bread, baguette, sandwich bread, and rolls. 6. Snacks, chips, cookies, and nuts. 7. Drinks, water, juice, and soda. I take my list with me so I do not forget anything. I arrive at the supermarket. The supermarket is big and busy. There are many people shopping. I find a parking spot for my car. Then I walk into the store. At the entrance, there are usually shopping carts and baskets. I take a shopping cart because I want to buy many things today. When I enter the store, I see many signs. The signs tell me where to find different products. For example, fruits and vegetables, dairy products, meat and fish, bakery, snacks, drinks. I look at my shopping list. The first thing I need is fruits. I go to the fruits section. There are many types of fruits here. I see apples, red, green, and yellow, bananas, yellow and soft, oranges, round and orange, grapes, green and purple. I pick up some apples and bananas. They look fresh. I also grab a bag of grapes because they are my favorite. While I am in the fruit section, I see a worker. I can ask them questions if I need help. Here is a useful phrase. "Excuse me, where can I find the oranges?" The worker smiles and says, "The oranges are over there." Next, I go to the vegetables section. There are many colorful vegetables. I see carrots, orange and crunchy, potatoes, brown and round, tomatoes, red and juicy, lettuce, green and leafy. I pick some carrots and tomatoes for my salad. I also take a head of lettuce because it is fresh and crisp. As I shop, I remember another useful phrase. How much is this? This phrase helps me ask about prices. Now it is time for dairy products. I go to the dairy section. Here I see milk in bottles or cartons, cheese, many types like cheddar and mozzarella, yogurt with different flavors like strawberry and blueberry. I grab a carton of milk and a block of cheese. I also take a few cups of yogurt because they are great for breakfast. Next, I go to the meat section. Here there are different types of meat: chicken, whole or cut into pieces, beef, ground beef or steak, fish, salmon or tuna. I decide to buy some chicken for dinner. The chicken looks fresh and nice. If I want to ask for help in this section, I can say, "Can you help me find the chicken?" Now it is time to visit the bakery section. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. Here are some types of bread: baguette, long and crusty; sandwich bread, soft and sliced; rolls, small and round. I choose a baguette because it is perfect for sandwiches. While in the bakery, I can say, "Do you have any fresh bread today?" After that, I go to the snacks aisle. An aisle is a long path between shelves. There are many tasty snacks here: chips, different flavors like salt and vinegar or cheese; cookies, chocolate chip or oatmeal; nuts, almonds or cashews. I pick up a bag of chips and a box of cookies for dessert. If I see something new, I might say, "What is it? It looks interesting." Now it is time to get drinks. In this section, there are many choices: water, bottled or sparkling; juice, orange juice or apple juice; soda, cola, or lemon lime. I grab a bottle of water and some orange juice. If I want to know more about a drink, I can ask, is this drink healthy? I have all my items in my cart now. It is time to check out. The checkout area has many cashiers. I stand in line with my cart. When it is my turn, the cashier says, "Hello, how are you today?" I reply, "I am good, thank you. How are you?" The cashier scans my items one by one. After that, they tell me the total price. Now it is time to pay. I can pay with cash or a credit card. If I pay with cash, I give the cashier money. If I pay with a card, I swipe it on the machine. After paying, the cashier gives me a receipt. A receipt shows what I bought and how much I paid. I say thank you to the cashier and take my bags. Now I walk back to my car. My shopping trip was successful. As I drive home, I think about all the delicious meals I can make with my groceries. Thank you for joining me on my trip to the supermarket. We learned about many types of products like fruits, vegetables, dairy, meat, bread, snacks, and drinks. We also practiced useful phrases for shopping. Remember to make a shopping list before you go to the supermarket. It helps you remember what you need. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.